So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the day on our GBP US dollar. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not done that yet, make sure you do also click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, and also follow the channel. Click on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of it. Now let's see what we will be expecting for the day on our GBP US dollar. Let's start with our trend and we will zoom it out. So what can you see on your GBP USD? What is the trend for your GBP USD? It is very clear. GBP USD is an uptrend move. It is trending upward. So this is our high on GBP USD. Here comes the higher low. Market pushed up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. And then market pushed up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? So market eventually push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market pushed up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. So with this such a movement, right? Markets, we all know that market should be pushing up to form a new higher high, right? That should be our next movement. That should be our next forecast, right? On GBP USD. So in the long, that is why for position traders or for a long-term trader, right, you would want to be opening for your buy, especially those that would like to hold their position for the next, 3 months, 4 months, or even 6 months. You would want to be hopping in on the buy. But for this day trader, if you take a look at how market is doing, market has literally broken out of this support level. So one more sell is likely to play out, right? Since it has broken, it could be a break and retest pattern. We can't tell. Probably if this was a break and a retest pattern, markets will most likely give us one more drop, which I think this would likely happen. That is what I think it will happen. But based on the fact that our trend says that we are in an uptrend move, so the movement that would likely happen next on GBP USD would be a bullish move, which will eventually push up. But personally, I will probably be expecting one more sell. But if there will be any changes to this movement that we've predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know and I will put it up out here. In order for you not to miss out on that update, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button and click on the bell notification.